In today's video tutorial, we'll be discussing reasons why you as a self-publisher need author central page. All right. Sometimes you see a lot of beginners, they don't see the importance of this. And today I'm going to explain them in details. If you don't have any, why you need to have. Number one reason is professionalism. Yes. Author's page or author central page results to professionalism. I will explain. Take for example, I have an author's page, and on that author's page, I write about real estate. Okay, and I have a number of books on real estate. Example: real estate for beginners, real estate for seniors, what to avoid when buying a real estate property. All right, real estate for retirees, and so many others. The factors to consider before going into real estate. So I have a lot of books on real estate under one single pen name, under one pen name. All right. If somebody buys, it may be something that drives the traffic to a book of mine in this category, in this a lot of them, is maybe real estate for beginners. All right. The person after buying that real estate for beginners book, after that, clicks on my name, on my author's name, my pen name, and is being taken to the author's page. Now, on that author's page, you'll be like, oh, this guy has a lot of books on this area of real estate, on this area of interest. That shows that he's a professional. All right. So it will build his trust that really there are more reasons I need to buy more books from this guy, or more reasons I need to know that this guy is good in what he does. All right, because in author's page, what you're expected to do is to have related books under it. Don't create author's page and today you have how to repair computer. Tomorrow you have to have a cookbook. The next day you have to how to decide somebody's mental health. No, please. Everything should be relatable. All right, let it be related so that people will know that this guy is a professional in this field. All right. Another reason why every self-publisher needs author central page is for sales lead. I will explain this. In reality, all books on Amazon don't sell equally. Yes, there are those that perform higher than the others. That's the real fact. I've seen it over the years. Okay, so if you have a book that maybe sells at least three copies in a day or two copies in a day, that particular book, if it's under a particular pen name that has an author page, it can be a lead to other books that are not performing well. Somebody may buy that book and he or she clicks on your name to see if you have other books that are related to what he has already bought. All right. And when he checks and he sees that, okay, this guy has some other books, maybe still on in real estate or in technology, he goes ahead and do what? And purchases other books of yours. So that one that is performing so well has now been a lead, has been a lead to other ones to get sales. All right. That's another reason why you need author page if you don't have any already. Okay. Another reason is reoccurring book sales. Yes, author page, in as much as it builds trust. All right, when you publish a book and someone that bought one of your books initially gets notification that you have published a new book, he or she may be moved to come and purchase that book. And once he or she makes that purchase, your rank will go high. And that will make you keep on selling more books, and more books. There are people that if they stop publishing now on Amazon KDP, in the next 5 years, they will still be getting sales because of what they have built an author page. And that author page has a lot of books under them. So when somebody buys this, you go ahead and buy others, and you keep on making money. That is one thing about book writing and publishing. Is something that gives you a lot of returns even in years to come. So you may say that you may not go broke because you have already invested in something that will sell for a long time, especially if your book is high content and evergreen books. Okay, so that's another beautiful thing about building author page as a publisher. Okay. Another reason you may need an author page as a publisher is to build your profile. Yes, profile building. There is how author page is created. It is created in a way that you have a section whereby you talk about yourself. All right. Maybe in one of your pen names, which you use to create an author page, you talk about real estate. In that box, you tell them that you're experienced real estate. Write something captivating, even if you are not. All right, you write something captivating, telling them that you are experienced in this area because, as far as you are making good research to produce that book, you are getting experience already. So, find something that will make them trust you and say in the bio section. Okay, so when you build your profile, it's a good way to have a lasting sales, to have lasting sales of your books. All right, and the good, beautiful thing is that from there you can even link a website you manage. If I have a website, all right, maybe where you publish some articles, it's still a plus to you. So you are building your profile through those platforms. All right. Author's page helps you to monitor your book performance in terms of ranking. Okay, instead of you going to Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk to check the ranking of your book, individual books, when you have an author profile, all right, an author's page, you can check that from there. There's the rank section, all right, books rank section. When you click on that, you see how your book goes up and go down. So if you notice that one or two are not performing as they're supposed to perform, maybe sit down and ask yourself some questions. Why is this happening? Do I need to change the cover or do I need to change the description? All right. So with this report, you know what to do from there to make though if there is anything you need to do to improve the performance of the books. All right. Another thing is that from that you can check your reviews, the reviews people have left on your books after they purchased them. Okay, so you don't need to keep on going to Amazon.com or other marketplaces to check which review has been left. All right. So from there, everything is now coordinated together. All right. For you to see them from one single place. Okay. So if you don't have an author's page and you want to create one, it's easy to do. All right. First step is open your web browser and visit author.amazon.com. On getting to that page, you will see a lot of information there. All right. And the next step you need to take is to click on the join for free link. On clicking on that join for free link, a new page will open for you to sign in. All right. So sign in with your Amazon account details. That's the email address and the password. And then follow the on-screen guide. Okay. So once you follow the on-screen guide and you're landed on the page for you to have your bio, tell them something about yourself, depending on what you want to do under that pen name. All right. You can have up to 3 pen names in one auto central page. All right. So if you are for the first pen name, tell them what you do. Maybe you're a tech person or you're a software person or you are into real estate, anything or cook. All right. So you write cookbooks. All right. So just tell them something nice about yourself. And from there, you start adding your books. It's easy to do. So once you create your page, you're good to go. Okay. So with this, you build trust for your customers, your potential buyers, and you are good. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Okay? You can consider checking this playlist here. To learn more on self-publishing, I have a lot of videos on self-publishing, including Amazon KDP, audiobook, and other platforms. So check this playlist here. All right, take it, okay? Thank you and see you some other time.